Hello.
Hi, bro.
Yeah. Hi. Uh, uh, how are you, brother?
I'm good. And you?
Yeah, I'm also fine. No problem at all.
Yeah, yeah.
And yes, then what is the benefit you have learned? At least you are talking in English. What is your experience?
Uh, what is your benefit? You are speaking English. There's
Oh,
so many benefit.
okay.
And my experience, I have
Mm-hmm.
lots of experience because since 2 months, I'm started
Oh,
this journey.
yes, absolutely.
Started journey. So that's why so many people were talking about me, talking
Yeah,
someone,
okay.
and
Mm-hmm.
because sometimes I have no time because I am a
Okay.
working man. So that's
Yeah.
why I'm busy. I'm really maximum time really busy with my office and work.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
So
That's neat for
yes,
you.
and
So, fine.
I'm trying every time. I'm trying my best, and
Mm-hmm.
sometimes I'm busy only this Sunday.
Okay. Okay.
Yes, and every day I'm free with after 8 or 9 p.m.
Okay,
So that
okay.
time I'm calling with someone and
Mm,
experience so many because we are maximum people. We are
mhm.
maximum people who are trying with speak English
Yes,
because
yes, yes. Yeah.
is so many people who are jobless. So that's why so many important speaking English than doing a good job.
Yes, yes, absolutely,
Uh,
brother, absolutely, brother. And it's really happy moment for me that you give your time to me, and it is
obviously, why
really,
not?
yeah, it is
I'm a
really memorized for myself, and it is also all over the people can watch our video. This is also good thing. And we are talking through this application, eye contact, that is beneficial for everyone in my
yes, yes, yes.
experience. And that's why we always prefer, like me, I always prefer to talk anyone all over the world, and I always prefer to talk with video call. This is my first reason why I am learning, because I want to talk all over the world people. This is my
Yes.
ambition. At least one country, one person. That is my ambition. But unfortunately, it is possible or not. I don't know. But my aim, my intention is uh, going on that way. This is my intention. Like you are from Kolkata, I am
Yes,
from North Dinajpur, but we are talk. We can talk easily because the reason of only for spoken English, only for English language. That is really goodness for our human being, because it's amazing moment for me, amazing moment for you when you talk any beginner, any unknown stranger, because you have capability of speaking, and
well,
that's that's why we feel happy when someone calling us, someone talking with video call or any other method, then we feel happy. So you are practicing at least 2 months. Your
yes,
duration time is 2 months. Then
yes.
you learned a lot, and that is good for you. That is good for upcoming generation who want to learn English through you. Like you are as a motivator for your areas people, in my observation, because I also experience myself, and now my friend are not talking anyone in English, but they feel my friend also talking to all over the world. They are observed that he is my friend, that I am talking to all over the world people. They no gathering for they are talking to me that okay, you are talking all over the world. How? So I'm sharing all of them. It's not a hurt us for anyone, but if you have a motive, if you have, you know, desire, then every work we can do, because we are as a human being. I tell you one thing. Uh, last 1 hour before, I talked. He is from Somalia, only for audio
Somalia,
call. Somalia, audio call, not video call. And
not Somalia.
yes, and he shared me his WhatsApp number. Maybe we talk another time, because it's strange, because he's from Somalia. I am from India. I am showing that I am from India, and he is from Somalia. It's too far distance to each other. That is really good, because the reason of spoken English, because the reason of only for English language.
Everybody, yeah, yes, everybody is trying.
Yes, absolutely
Everybody's
right.
understand. Yes, everybody's understand. These are very important for us.
Yes.
Speaking English is very important for us.
Hmm.
Without
Yes.
without speaking English, you can survive anywhere. You speak well.
Yes. Yes.
That's why we can go
Yeah.
anywhere. It's a very important.
Yes. Absolutely. Absolutely. I'm totally agree with you. And i- in my point of, it's my aim. I am showing my appearance all over the world, and I am talking all over the people with stage. It's my aim, and that's why I'm also trying my best every day, every situation. Then. Uh, what is the reason you are practicing, you are learning? Can you share me?
Because I'm doing a work. I'm doing a
Mhm.
private
Okay.
sector job. So that's a very important. Speak
Hmm.
English. Okay.
Yeah.
I'm doing my. This is my future. I want to be a businessman.
Oh,
Okay.
that's cool. That's good.
Yeah. That's why so many important speaking English because
Yes.
we're yes I'm doing a garment sector, so
Mhm.
garment sector job. So this field there are so
Mhm.
many people who speak English.
Okay.
Understand?
Okay. Okay.
So many senior people. Okay,
Yes.
that's why that's why so many important uh, speak with someone.
Okay.
Everybody's understand.
Then
Everybody's
you
understand what I'm saying.
yes,
That's
yes,
why
yes.
it's a very important for me.
Yes, yes. But
That's why I'm
you
trying.
have no, you have friends with your office, and you have capability of speaking. Then you maybe too fast this language you are learning, this language you are speaking to anyone, because you have capability. Like we are talking through this video call, we are as a we are friend, but you have outside of the house, or outside of your like in the office, you have friend, then you can talk to your friend, you have more advantage.
More advantage. By the way, friend, I was asking you. Then I this time I told you, and so many friends. He also very senior with
Okay.
mine. So
Yes.
uh, that's why I don't talk with. I don't
Okay.
talk with. Yeah,
Okay. Okay.
he
You
also
can't
very senior.
share with him, because he is a senior person
Very
for
yeah.
that
He's a very
office.
senior. Okay,
But
yeah,
when you-
very
when
senior with
you
mine.
when you communicate with him, then you definitely talk in English. Without English,
Yes,
you
but
can't talk. Yeah.
yes, definitely. Why not? Definitely, but I'm not trying. I'm not
Okay.
trying to. I'm not trying to have face-to-face conversation. I don't know
Okay.
why. Because he's a very senior with me.
Yes. Yes.
Mine. Yes,
You are respect him.
yes.
You
Obviously, I
are
respect him.
okay. Okay.
Yes,
Fine. Fine.
every time I respect you because he
And
also very senior with.
okay. Okay. I observe that you also essential. Your need is spoken English. Your need is English language, and you are maybe committed to learn, committed to speak in your office area, that you definitely talk with your senior person in future time. That's why you are more practice every day. I'm really glad to see you. I'm really glad to talk with you. This is really good moment for me, and this is really good. And we need, like India as a developing country, we need young generation. It's really be fluent in English because when you go to another state, like we are from West Bengal, and when we go to another state, like when we travel any famous place like Agra, Taj Mahal, then there is lots of foreigner come to that place. When we communicate with them, we are not feeling uncomfortable because we have capability how to speak. That is more advantages. That is really advantage part of our life. And we are human, we are learning because we are also gain another skill. This is spoken English.
Yes, yes, yes,
Then
yes.
share me something, another thing that is helpful for upcoming days. You observe your life for spoken purpose.
But by the way, I don't know believe me and myself because
Okay.
I am speak with your front of you, but I have
Yes.
no yes, I have no chance for my senior in my office. In my office, I
Okay.
want to go. I want to go and I'll face to face like conversation. I
Yes.
don't know
Yes.
why. I don't know why.
No.
Because
No. No. It happened. It
he's a
happened
very
because
senior with me. Yeah, because
you
of
were
he also
respecting.
very my. That's why I am feeling and I am trying my best
Yes.
and I'm
Absolutely, brother.
continuously try. I am this time I am speak fluently.
Mm-hmm.
This time I speak with fluently, so that's why I'm facing you and I'm
Okay.
uh, conversation
Okay,
with
fine,
him.
no problem. Okay, okay, definitely, definitely. One day we definitely talk to him and with good manner, with good fluency, and it's your
And
aim. I wish your aim is successful in your life, and that's good. And when you communicate with him, maybe he feel happy because you are junior, but you can speak very well with him.
yes, and definitely I will try.
Yes, absolutely, absolutely. And yes, that's good. And
Is it?
so,
And
mm, tell me.
so, is it according to me,
Yeah,
these are so many people and trying speak English, and so many
yes,
people were share with uh, your experience on YouTube.
yes,
I am
yes,
really,
absolutely,
yes, I'm
absolutely.
really glad. So many people, I am really good because we are country where our country is so many developing, and day
Yes,
by day is
absolutely.
increase in our generation. And
Yeah,
where sometime I feel very good because
yeah,
maximum people will try in your best, and you
yes,
there's so many capability.
yes, absolutely, brother,
Yes, that's
absolutely.
why
And
that's why so many people will motivate someone.
mm, yes, yes,
Yes,
absolutely.
it's
Yeah,
a very good.
absolutely. Lockdown, we lots of student, lots of young generation student think that
Right, right.
lockdown create us bad things, but I think lockdown create some advantage, some of them, because
Yes,
lockdown lots of people gain some knowledge because living how people are living, they are understand how to live, how to living life with internet, like we are spending time uh, every day in internet, but lockdown time it really increase our motivation because lockdown
right.
is the only one reason we are now we are talking to each other.
Yes, yes. So many people who understand who are, were face lockdown and where people are around in your home. So there's so
Yes,
many people who understand is after complete your lockdown. After lockdown, is so many people jobless.
yes, absolutely,
So many
brother.
people I
Mm-hmm.
face because my company is a very good company, but sometimes you feeling junior employees. Uh,
Mm-hmm.
Sometimes you feel so bad.
Yeah, yeah, absolutely.
Because after lockdown, there's so many people who are jobless come in my office, and
Mm-hmm.
our office. I have one job. Please request me, and that's why I
Okay,
feel very
okay.
bad.
Yes,
Yes,
yes, yes, yes. But it is true that we are spending lots of time in English purpose, and not only for town areas people. Lots of villagers also want to learn because they have capability, they have capacity how to learn because they have internet and they have Android set, and it is good for everyone. And when they spend their time with good way, then it is good. But lots of student, lots of aspirant want to another work that is not good for him or her. But I think we are spending properly. We definitely grow our life. We definitely grow in speaking in English, and this is really good thing for us.
because friend, I am told told us I have no time for.
Yeah,
I don't know why because I have no time. Seriously, I have no
yeah.
time. I
Okay,
speak.
okay.
I have no time for I to follow this grammar. I don't
Mhm.
have time for I.
No, no, listen, listen, listen. Because you didn't have a time, no problem. But you are practicing. That is main reason. You are practice. When you practice day by day, then you observe that what is your mistake, what is my mistake. Then you
I
are definitely uh, try to correct your speaking, correct your thought, which is really beneficial for upcoming days. So don't lose your hope, because I'm also practicing. I'm also when I feel uncomfortable grammar section purpose, I also want to learn. This is my observation, because when we talk, after that we realize, yes, I am making mistake this portion, and this is true.
this true, right,
Yeah.
right, right.
So by the way, we met uh, before a few maybe 5 or 7 days ago, and that is good for me and that is good for you. We definitely talk many time, and it's I am recording for the memory purpose. I already shared you, and maybe it's helpful lots of students who want to learn, who want to gain some knowledge, but maybe gain some motivation. This is my observation, and that's why I'm also requesting you. If you give me permission, then I definitely upload on YouTube, and
Yes, yes, obviously.
you give me your valuable permission. I'm really thankful for you, and uh, definitely that video motivate lots of people. So uh, let's talk another time, and we talk many
Thank
things,
you,
many.
thank you,
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
thank you.
So
So,
so
what is your YouTube
yeah,
name?
I definitely share you. My YouTube channel name is Newton, Newton Newton Spoken, Spoken, Spoken World, WORLD.
Okay, okay, okay.
This is my
No
YouTube
problem. You
channel
share
name.
me. That's I'm
Yes,
trying.
definitely.
Okay.
Yes. Bye.
Bye, bye, bye.